Oh, you're a shining star. I wanna spend my nights with you. My life with.
Hey loves, it's your girl Tina Alisse, and today's video is going to be about how I achieved this look. Also, if you want to know how I made these flowers, check out my tutorial on TikTok. Okay, so first I start out with brushing these brows. Then I use my brow pencil by Color Mates in the color Black Brown. And pretty much all I do is outline the top and bottom of my brows, and then I just fill them in. Next, I conceal my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. After that, I just grab my blending brush and blend my concealer in. Next, I go in with my Milani Conceal+Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer in the color Chestnut. Then I just use my beauty blender to blend that in. Next, I just go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, again in the color Chestnut, and I just conceal under my eyes, my nose, chin, and forehead. After that, I just go in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX setting powder in the color Medium Deep. And for this part, you can either use a brush or a beauty blender, and I literally love this stuff, so I just apply it on my entire face. Then I use my matte finish setting spray from NYX. So now it's time to focus on the eyes. I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural, just to prime my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Once you're done priming your eyelids, you have to blend it in. I usually just use my finger, but you can use a sponge or a brush if you don't want to get your hands dirty. So I'm using my box of Crayons Palette, and I decided to use the color Brown. Next, I went into my James Charles Morphe palette, and I used the color No Beans. Now I'm using the color Pinch Me, also in the James Charles Morphe palette. Next step is to cut the crease, and to do this, I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural. After that, I go in with the color Canvas, also from the James Charles Morphe palette. So I went back to my box of crayons palette, and now I'm using the color Gold. Next, I find my small brush and I use the color Pinch Me, also from the James Charles Morphe palette, and I just use this color underneath my eyes. After all that's done, I just use my liquid liner, and I got this one from my local beauty supply store. This step is totally optional. I personally just like to clean up my eyeliner with my concealer. Now that that's done, I like to go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Protein mascara. You can use whatever mascara you want. I just got this from Walmart, and yeah. I don't do this step often, but I'm just using a black eyeliner and putting a little bit in my waterline. It's time to apply these lashes. And today I'm using the Wicked Lashes from NYX. The eye adhesive that I use is from Absolute New York in the color black. This step is also optional. It's just what I like to do instead of using mascara. So this was my first time using blush, and I got this such a long time ago from e.l.f. And this brush palette is in the color Dark, and I didn't know what color to use, so I just used 04, and it looks nice. So I just recently got into wearing highlighter. So this one is from Fancy Makers Wet n Wild. I just picked this up from Walmart. It was like $5 in the color Golden Hour. For my lips, I just picked up a black brown liner. I also don't have a lot of lipstick, so I pretty much created my own by using the color Mary from the James Charles makeup palette and just applying that on my lips and applying some lip gloss after. And here's our final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on what you guys want to see me do next. Thanks for watching.